Suzanne? Suzanne, are you here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Can we start?
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all feeling excited because today we have an inspiring and insightful session lined up for you. Welcome to the Meet the Expert, a platform where knowledge meets innovation. I am Fizan, your anchor for today. It's my honor to guide you through this event. We have an exciting agenda ahead filled with expert insights, groundbreaking project presentations, and an engaging Q&A session. So let's get started. To officially kick off our event, I would now like to invite Dia Suraj for welcome speech.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. It's an honor to welcome you all today. We are gathered here to engage, innovate, and explore the future of technology and ethical investments. And who better to lead us in this discussion than Narjeesh Abdul Khader, a revolutionary leader in the tech and investment space. As the tech co-founder of Wise Apps works, Narjeesh specializes in software architecture, AI-driven automations, and product strategy, driving impactful digital solutions that shape the way we interact with technology. His passion lies in creating scalable and efficient feature like tech that empowers businesses and individuals alike. Beyond the tech world, Narjeesh also is deeply committed to ethical and Sharia compliant investments. He has been a guiding force for businesses and individuals, helping them make sustainable, strategic, and high growth financial decisions that align with ethical values. Today's gathering is an opportunity to network, exchange ideas, and collaborate towards a future where technology and ethical investments go hand in hand. So let's take this moment to learn, connect, and build something remarkable together. Once again, a warm welcome to everybody, and let's make most of this webinar. Thank you.
Now it's time for the most awaited segment of expert talk. Today we are privileged to have with us Mr. Narjeesh Abdul Khader, a distinguished expert in the field. Get ready to dive into some insightful discussions and valuable knowledge. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Fizan Mohammed, and good morning, everyone. Can you hear me, my sound, and can you see me
Yeah,
properly?
yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay, yeah, let me share my screen. Uh, yes, one second. Let me just restart the Teams application because that sharing option I just recently using it's asking for a restart. Just a second, I will come back. Yeah, sorry for that delay. I was using Teams in the system first time, so it's asking for a restart of the application. Okay, hope all are joined. Okay, Can you see my screen?
Oh, wait, the create presenter option again. Let us give you.
Sorry, you can't see?
You can see your screen because you are not a presenter now.
Sir,
Oh,
1 minute. Yeah, you are a presenter now, sir.
okay, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Yeah, before going to this session, let me introduce myself. As mentioned on the intro, I was working on the technical field. For last 8 years, I was working in different companies, different MNCs like IBM, TCS, and all. And for last 2 3 months, we are working for a startup. And my core interest currently, my most interest area is innovating or building the new software products. So as you know, because of AI and related technologies, the creating a software is more fun and it's a easier smooth things. So suppose if we need a if you have a problem, or if you want to do something using some software, normally we will go for internet for searching for a good application or good website. But nowadays, instead of going that, we can create our own applications for in our customized way. That's where the software building is more fun in nowadays. So if a problem occurred me, I will try to solve that problem by creating our own solution if it is a small problem. If it is a big system needed, we cannot easily create that. But if it is a small problem, or a small need, we can create our own applications using the latest AI powered coding editors and all. Okay, so that's my interest and hobby part. And as mentioned in the intro, I'm doing some Sharia compliant investment consultation. And currently, my main focus on, as I mentioned, it is on my on our startup. Its startup is actually Visa Works. Okay. Uh, Before going to our subject, let me quickly explain what our startup is doing, which problem is solving our startup. Yeah, we are working on the Wise app. Actually, Wise app is a system for smart time management and focus task handling. It is like mostly you are students, right? Or students or facilitators are joined here, that I can understand. So, for doing your activities like for studying or other research or other business or something else, how is managing your work?
What is that? What is that? What's that?
Yeah, yes, please. Okay. Anyone here using like any task management applications? How you manage
Me.
your task? You're using, right? Who is that? Can you?
Fatima.
Fatima. Yeah, Fatima. Okay. And I'm trying to see you.
I'll
Okay.
raise my hand.
Yeah. Okay. So, how is your task handling? Just want to know that.
It's not fully a task management app.
Okay.
It's for like the chores you have to do at home, like that.
Your name is sorry.
No, that's my account name,
Okay.
Fatima only.
Okay, Fatima. Okay, Fatima. What are you doing? Can you please explain more?
Yeah.
Like,
So there is this app, and it's for kids only, and it's an app where parents can control and give points for whatever. Like if you get a task done, you can get a point, and
okay, okay, yeah, yeah, very nice. You are using with your parents, right? That item. Yeah, very nice. Anyway, for a productive work or for efficient work, using any system for task management is very much useful for utilizing our maximum time. Okay, so in that area, we are working under the WhatsApp company, and here we have the task management. Along with that, we have like timer also there. So in task management, we will have the many tasks. But at a day, we will concentrate on mostly we will concentrate on 4 or 5 most important thing. And at a time, we will concentrate on a particular task. So in that way, we have configured our application. This is the uh, initial version of our application. Here, like, hope you can see my screen, and this is a demo of our application. Like, users can easily list their task under the task list. But in to do today, to do today is for listing the most important task from the task list. We will list the most important task from the task list in this to do today. So at a day, on a day, we can only concentrate on this particular task. And after that, when we are doing for a work, we will take only one work, and using a timer we will work on that. Do you know why we are using a timer here? It is because is actually a concept, Pomodoro timing concept, which means suppose if you have work that is around 3 or 4 hours long work. So, maybe we are learning something or doing some research. Instead of doing it at a one sit at long time, we will get bored. We will our eyes will be very much painful, our back will be painful, and our mental condition will be very much stressful. Instead of that, we are taking a some work period, for example 25 minutes or 30 minutes. We will work for that particular period, and after that we will take a break for 5 minutes break. In that break time we will be totally free. We will not go for the phone or other system and all. We will just focus on, just relax on that break time, and after break time we will get the notification and we will come back to work, and we work for another 30 minutes, another work period, 30 minutes, and after that we will go for a break. In that way its cycle will repeat. If you work in that way, it will be very productive. So we are implementing that solution in very simple way using our app along the our task. So here we have a smooth integration of this timer and the task management. Also, we will get the proper insight of what we have done. Like these are the different works today. This person did the work on the 4 items, and he did more work on the refactor the code base, so one work, and let's work on this area. Like that he will get a proper insight. Not only that, we will get the uh, our insight or details about our work on weekly base or monthly base or custom period also. In that way we can understand that okay, uh, how much work we are doing for a particular item, or is it very much high, we have to reduce that, or in some work we will not do some, we are not doing some effort for that work. In that way we will get the proper insight. Like that we have the different chart here. So this is basically, this is our project, or this is our startup doing. If we have, our aim is we have to improve the productivity of people in very clear way, like very simple way. We have integrated the task management and Pomodoro timer along with the insight. And this is actually a alpha stage app. In the real app we will introduce the gamification. Maybe you know the gamification, right? Have you anyone used here Duolingo?
Yes, yes.
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 Lot
Yeah,
of us see Duolingo.
Yeah.
yeah, very good. Actually, in Duolingo is for language learning or maths learning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, but it's look like a gaming app. So through this that gamification activity, they are helping us to learn in an interactive and interesting way. In that gamification, we will apply here. Also, using the large language model, we can give the users more insight, and we can help the uh, users to uh, organize their task and all. Yeah, this is our idea, and here I'm working. I have my co-founder Sajid Ali also here, and this is our office, temporary office, initial office, and we both are working here. and if you anyone interested to test this application, you can visit this site wisap.works and give your email id and join the wait list. We can give you the early access to the app. Currently this app is not on the Play Store, App Store. It is in actually a alpha testing stage. If you are really interested, you can visit the site and join our wait list. So you will get the chance to use this app very early, and you can give us the feedback that's required us. And yeah, that's all about what I'm doing. So let's go back to our things. Yeah. So build with AI. So build with means we are planning to discuss here about the building softwares or building app or building website with using the support of the AI. Uh, Here, I will try to cover some tools that support building software using AI. So, okay, as you can see in the screen, this is only one interview. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, uh, uh, told this statement. It's a simple one. The programming at the beginning of 2025 and at the end of 2025 is going to be completely different things. Actually, for me, it was very interesting sentence. We are on the beginning of 2025, and we have many months to go to end of this year. So currently also we are doing the development. The latest development style is very interesting. We don't know what happened the development of software and all at the end of the year. That's an exciting thing actually. So that I just quoted this sentence on the start of our slide. Okay, before going to the next area, I just want to know, yeah, Anyone of here created any software or creating any software? Can you please raise your hand? Or yeah, Muhammad Amin. Yeah. Anyone else? Any software? Anything? Okay. Learning Gravity. It's a name. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Anyway, very good. We have some software developers already here. Yeah, Muhammad Amir. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Muhammad Amin, can you please tell me how you are developing the software? Like, what is your developing style? Can you please switch on the
Yeah.
mic? Yeah, sure.
So I'm working on more like AI tools and other applications using the AI tools like Claude or DeepSeek and other AI tools like that.
Okay, you are doing the LLM integration of this large
Yep.
language model, right? Okay, okay. Okay, for developing this, are you using any IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ or Visual Studio?
Yeah, I'm using Visual Studio Code.
Yeah, very good. Okay, yeah, very good. Yeah, anyone else to share their story? Thank you, Amin. Yeah. Learning Gravity, who is, what is his correct name? Can you please switch on the mic and share your journey? Okay, yeah, anyway, fine. Let's proceed. If you have any doubt and if you have any clarification needed, you can stop me and ask me. Let's make this session more interactive and useful. I want to learn more from you. Okay,
How to get that
sure. Yeah, please.
website?
Sorry, I didn't get that. Who is asking that question?
Yeah. Raya.
Raya. Okay, Raya, what are you asking?
Raya. How do you get the website?
This website, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's an
not
interesting.
this one. That other.
This
Voice
one?
app.
Voice app.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to access this website, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is URL you can search on the Chrome, voiceapp.works. Or I will just put in the chat.
I don't think the chat is there.
Okay, fine.
You
Yeah.
can put it in the Q&A.
Okay, thank you.
Can you put it in chat?
Chat.
I'll share it. I think. I'll share it.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
sure.
thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Here, the one of the uh, latest hot topic in the AI is AI agent. AI agent. Maybe many of you heard about that. If you didn't heard about that, no problem. I will explain simply about that. Yeah. Before I go into the AI agent, let me tell you the about the automation. In software industry, we are doing some automatic automation work. Can you give me some examples, if anybody?
Automating like what do we say? Reoccurring tasks.
Yeah, recurring task is an automation, automating thing. Yes. Otherwise,
Mail replies.
sorry.
Message replies and
Yes, very good. Message replies, automatic thing. We are doing some code for replying any message, right? That's another example is in this voice app when you are giving the mail ID and join wait list, and you will get an automatic email on that mail ID. So that is an automatic thing. We are not instantly sending that mail manually, but it is an automatic thing. We are automated using some scripts. So that is an example of automation. Also, when we are posting some post on the LinkedIn, we have the option for scheduling post on a particular time in after 2 days or after 1 days. We have the option for that. That's all are the automation. In this case, we are giving some instruction to the system to do particular thing on that time. But what agent is doing, like if we are giving some instruction, the agent will think about that. Like for example, the autonomous car, the driverless car without driver. Do you know about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, not required any driver to drive that. That car itself drive. Actually, it's a is we can say it's a type of agent. What is it doing that? It will when the user asks for driving from one point to another point, that the system, that autonomous car will understand the which is the way, and it will learn what is the shortest distance from one to another, and it will start to drive on that way. When it is on the traveling itself, it will understand about the surroundings. Any vehicle is on coming on their path, and any people are working the, it will understand all thing, and it will accordingly the autonomous car will make decision and do actions. So that is an agent, actually, example for the agent. Actually, it's a smart program that can see and do things. They make their own choices. We are not instructing to you turn left and you turn right. They will, according to the situation, they will do the analysis and they will take their own decision and do whatever they want. And also on their work, they will take the feedback, and according that feedback, they will improve their driving, what all their activities. This is actually the AI agent is doing. And if I explain the work of an AI agent in a as a life cycle, is have the four stage actually. The first stage is look. Okay, they will see the what all the instruction they are getting, or at the same time they will check the all the surroundings. As I mentioned in my that example of autonomous car, they will check the all the surroundings and their weather condition and all, and and according to those parameters or those input, that system will think which is the best way, what I want to do in the best way. And according to the thought, they will come up some conclusions and do actions based on that conclusion. And after doing that work itself, it will check, okay, what I did, is it correct, or how can I improve that actions, and learn. The system will learn about their action, and at the same time the surroundings and all things, and they will improve their action. That is actually this AI agent life cycle. When they are thinking, actually it is thinking like a pro, because it have the support of LLM model, large language model, means it have the information of many things. Like if we are asking ChatGPT about something, they will give some good answers. So because they have the information about the many things, they have that system is already learned informations about many things. So like that, this AI agent have the support of this LLM. And and it have the ability to think and resolving and ability to make a good decision also. And it's according to those decision it will take the appropriate actions, and also iterate their actions, or improve their actions after learning their activities and surrounding. Yeah, basically this is AI agent is working. Actually, this AI agent is going to be a common in couple of months or couple of weeks in all over the world. In our day-to-day activities, we will use it. You may heard about that. Google recently, yeah, it's working hard for one project. Mariner, like that. Is I correct? Something like that. Actually, it is a Chrome extension. It's the application of agent. So, for example, if currently if you want to buy something from online, for example, we want to buy a mobile phone. So that time what we'll do, we will go for Google and search for mobile phone. So we will get the different sites, for example, Flipkart or Amazon or something other sites. We will go inside the all sites, and we will read the its specification and all, and we will finally we will make a conclusion to that, oh, this phone is better for me. So we have, for that we have to do a lot of research, we have to invest a lot of time for that. So this activity will do by an agent. That is the project is going to be released by the Google. So it is a good example of agent. And another example we can say that chat applications, smart chat applications. So if it is an automatic automation chat, if you are giving some questions, it will give some automatic reply or predefined reply. But if it is an AI agent chat, that system will before responding to our query, the system will think about ourselves. It will take the available data of that question, who that people who ask the question, and it will think about the surroundings or related all things. Maybe if we asked a question for, I want to get some biryani from nearest hotel, the system will, the chat system will understand about the nearest hotel, and about the weather condition, and about that person preference, and accordingly he will answer. That's AI agent is doing here. And also another example is we are explained is autonomous car, and yeah, anything think about this is an example of AI agent. In our core focus, we are going to discuss is like in the programming also, as Amin explained, he is developing code or applications using Visual Studio Code. So one of the good approach. And using this AI agent, we can do our coding much better and easily. So we have in market, we have many tools are available to develop software using our the AI agent. Let's dive into some tools or some tools next. Yeah, cursor. Cursor is one of the AI code editor. I will show you the cursor. What is cursor? Yeah, okay. So this is a website for cursor, and you can visit this website and download the app. I will show you. I've already downloaded cursor. Yeah, if you can see my screen, it is something similar like to Visual Studio Code, right? So here, uh, as we doing Visual Studio Code, we can also code here, and apart from that, we have much more facilities, and that's I'm going to discuss here. You see, this is one small project. Is I am already done this project, and its project file is there. And if we take this project file and we can do the code edit and all. So in cursor as part of AI, we can see the different options. Like one is chat. Chat is like instead of directly going to this website and this code and doing the changes on that code, we can just put our queries on the, or we can ask for the system through the chat to do these or these items. Maybe we have to change the color of some buttons, instead of going here and finding the place for changing the color of the button, you can just ask here, yeah, please change the color of that particular button to this color. It will automatically do changes here. That is the use of chat. Or even if you want to add some features for like we have to add here for when one calculator application inside our website, we just ask here. It will help to create the that particular application in this inside the website. Like that, we can use the chat. And the another one is composer. In composer, it is like much more advanced than chat. As I explained, if you want to create a big feature and itself, we can ask here for the composer to create something. It will create. It is much efficient than chat. And we, yeah, sure. Yeah, please ask. Anyone? Okay, can I proceed? If you have any clarity issue, you can stop me and ask me. Okay. Inside this composer, we have the option for agent. When we are asking some question here, and we have just selected this agent, it's currently selected that agent. I will take the new window. Yeah, some question here, and we have selected the agent. The agent will do whatever thing we required. You will get more clarity when we are doing some demo of creating some application or website. We will do that. Okay, anyway, for getting a basic understanding about this AI ability inside this cursor, mainly I have shown that there's a chat facility and composer facility and agent facility. If you are using the chat, we have to do some more effort from our side. And if we are using the composer, it is our effort will be less and more work will do that AI system.
Composter.
Sorry.
What is a composter?
Okay, yeah. Actually, this is our the code editor, this cursor. This application, using this application, we are creating the website or the application. The one of the facility, yeah, facility here is composer. Using this composer, we can ask for creating some, for example, in our page, in this page, this is my personal website, not just .web.app. So I want to create some slide for this presentation. What I did actually is I just told this composer like I want to create a presentation for this particular program. I can share the image option here. I shared the poster of the my our program, and I asked to create some slide for it. So at that time, they created some slide for me, and so I can access. In that way, I have created this slide. So that mainly the composer did it for me. When I used the composer, I used this agent also. So more efficiently, it's helped me to create this slide. I will give the demo. We can create some website or application, and so that time we will get the more clarity on that. Yeah, I mean you can ask.
Yeah. So, when you're like, which app are you using actually? This
Sorry,
IDE? Which is the IDE you are using?
it is cursor.
Oh, cursor, yeah.
U R S
So,
R. Yeah,
in the cursor, like you are using Claude 3.5 Sonnet, right? So it is paid, right?
yeah, yes.
So, like, do you bring in the API here, or do you already get it with cursor?
Yeah, I already get it. Cursor. I don't have any cost for this. In
Okay,
the
okay.
Yeah, we can switch the different LLM models here. Okay. So cursor have some free trial option. Currently, we are using that free trial itself.
Ah,
We can have the using the agent. We can have 150 queries we can do through one account. Okay.
okay,
After that, we can pay and use that.
okay.
Sir,
Thank you.
Yeah, Amna, please.
what is this option chat for?
Chat for like when we are creating this application. If you want to, for example, let me check. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is my website. I want to change the color of this background. Currently, its color is white, right? So I want to change it
Yes,
to
sir.
yeah, another color like blue. So what we are normally doing is like we will go for the corresponding code, and we will search and understand where is its background color is configured, right? And we will change
Yes, sir.
the background color from white to blue there. That's the one way. But instead of that, we can just simply come here and type here. I want to change the background color of my website to blue. It will automatically go there and change the background color. So facility, that's the facility of chat. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir. Thank you.
okay, okay. Thank you, Amna. We will show one demo. We together create some application or website. At that time, we will get more clarity on that. Anyway, okay. Yeah, we were discussing about this, and we have mainly three options here. One is the chat, and is the composer. In the inside composer itself, we can use the agent. If we are using agent, our involvement will be very less. The most of the work will do this agent AI system. Yeah, in chat we will ask like explain me the flow of this some code, like that simple question we can ask. As I mentioned, to change the background color or change the color of the button, like that. But in composer we can ask some more heavy work, like add new feature, like Google in our website. I want to, if I want to add some login feature here, I can ask to composer to add new feature Google login using auth. Using, if we are using the agent, like I will show you again. This is a chart, this is a composer, and if you want to use agent we have to select here. If you don't want to use the agent, we can select the normal. Okay. uh, anyway, yeah. If you are using agent, we can ask like these questions: create a personal fitness blog itself, or we can ask create an application for my personal website, or create a calculator application like that. The complete work we can ask there. It will do everything for us. As I mentioned, the behavior of agent, it will understand our questions and understand ourselves, and it will gather data about ourselves, and it will do some planning for like okay, if it is a personal website, the name should come first, and other details should come in middle. In the last, it should have some facility to link through their social media accounts like that, and it will play and it will select automatically the which language to use, whether want to use the HTML or CSS or other programming language, and it will execute that whatever actions, and after executing action it will check, okay, is it to configure or create the application in the correct way. If it is any issue there or any error there, it will understand that error and resolve itself that error. So that in that way agent is working. It's very interesting, right? We will see in our demo that about that. Okay, let's go for demo. Yeah, can you please help me what we will create using the agent? Any suggestion, any simple application or website? Do you have any suggestion?
Can we create like one educational website?
Education website. Okay, very good. Yeah, that's the good
A
option.
portfolio website,
Portfolio website for what?
like a person's portfolio website.
Yeah, that's, yeah, okay, that's also good. Yeah, that's also good. Maybe, yeah, we'll do that. Okay, I open a fresh window here. Hope you can see it's clear, right? In black, dark mode.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, thank you. And here, like, okay, in many way we can do this. I am just doing some one way, and here create personal website. Okay, okay, okay. Here. Okay, for creating this personal website, we have to give our details to the system, right?
Ah, yes.
What we do? Maybe in easiest way, what I'm thinking is, can I give my LinkedIn profile to him?
Will it works with link?
Yeah, let's check. Agent is smart. Let's check that. Okay, I'm giving my LinkedIn profile. Okay, please create simple modern mm, personal website for me. Yeah, here I have selected the composer, and I have selected agent also I have selected here, and just click.
It will also create the files.
Yeah, yes, it will create. Let's see. You can see the what is thinking the AI system.
Live, you can see the process.
uh, what is process?
Like we can see the process, right?
Yes, we
The,
can see the process. It is better to read that
yeah.
process, because we can understand the terminologies of this website and all. So if you understand this terminology in this way, we can communicate further accordingly.
Um,
Okay, so currently, okay, I will help to create a modern personal website based on your LinkedIn profile information. I will create a clean professional site that highlight your experience, skill, and achievement. First, let me check what files currently we have. Okay, okay, first create a package.json. Let's remain React. Okay, it is creating using React. Maybe I think I'm just chopping here. Let me. I want to create it using simple HTML or CSS. Okay. Okay. I'm just tweaking, altering my query. Use HTML and CSS. HTML and HTML, JavaScript, or CSS. Okay. Okay. So you are following me, right? Do you have any confusion?
No.
Okay, okay. If you have any clarification issue, you can stop me and ask me.
Okay.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure, please.
Did you publish this app in the Play Store or App Store?
Which app actually? Voice app?
Yes.
You are asking about this app?
Yeah.
Oh, no, we are not published in the Play Store or App Store because it is in alpha stage, which means we are creating now. It's one version is ready actually. If you want to get the access to the early version, you just visit this website and give your email ID and join the
Yeah,
website.
saying request pending.
Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah. Oh, the agent is doing work for us. That time, same time, we can just check. Okay, I will help you create a modern personal website based on LinkedIn profile. Okay, one thing is that I already log in the that cursor account here. That's why they are not asked to log in to cursor account. So if you are using the first time, they will ask for login to the cursor account. That's a very simple process actually. You will redirect to this website and you can sign in using your mail ID. So after that, you can use this chat and composer and all. Okay. Yeah, this done its work actually. And at the same time, let's look what he did. Let's create a modern okay, index.html created, css file for styling created, and script for some interaction or activity, this js file created, and some documentation file also created. So he's planning to create that, and he's creating as prescribed here. HTML file is here, and css file here, script file here. Okay, what it is, I have created a modern responsive personal website for you with the following features: clean and modern design with smooth animation, okay, dark light model toggle with position preference, responsive navigation bar with the smooth scrolling, hero section with social links, about section with skills, experience timeline, okay, footer, okay, the website using HTML5 for structure, CSS. Okay, according to this information, okay, we have tried to work um, what we mean, right? Anyway, let's see what how is okay. Any idea how can we see this application? It gave us the code index of HTML, readme, script on CSS. Any idea how can we see this application? Anyone? Let my accept the changes. Okay, if you don't have the idea, let's ask him. How can I preview my how can I preview my website? Website. Okay, I will preview your website. There is a few symbol. Okay, yeah. Okay, he's asking for to do some action here in command. Once the server is running, you can view your website. Okay. Okay, it's directing to this link. Let's check the. Yeah, I have created something. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, I am Narjeesh, software engineering technology enthusiast, correct? And okay, your about me section is there. Okay, I'm a passionate. Okay, they got this information from my LinkedIn. We
Yeah.
just gave only the LinkedIn link only, right? Yeah, okay. And the skills and experiences and get in touch and the copyright. Oh, 2024, so 25 actually. Okay, fine. All right, received. Yeah, it's basic. Fine, right? Okay, what is this?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, dark mode changing. Home, about, experience, contacts. Nice. How you feel about this activity?
It was really good.
Great.
Very
It
great.
is
Okay.
very informative and interactive.
Great.
Yeah, we can create any software like this. That's very nice. That's ability of this AI agent. And next, this I am created have created in this in my local only. So if someone else want to see my website, what I do, someone else like in remote position, if you want to access my website, what I want to do, I want to host my code. This code I want to host my code in some place, right? Some remote or cloud, some server. I want to host this website to server, right? In that way only we can access, right? This works you can access if you go to this link, but our new website you can't access because it is in my local only. You got my point, right? Yeah, if you want to access this website, or you want to access this website, I have to host this code and all in some places, right? So let me tell you, do you know about the Firebase?
Yeah.
Yes. Firebase. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Actually, we have many options to host our website, and one of the simple option is Firebase. We have the free tier is to host our website. So, like, let's proceed to host our website in Firebase. Is it good?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So, what I tell you? Okay. Hi. Please.
So,
Yeah,
can I ask a
yeah, sure. Please ask question. Yeah. Yeah. Is there?
So, if we are doing this podcast, if it didn't work,
Uh, Sorry, can you please come? Your sound is some noise is there. Yaslin, can you please ask again?
so if we are doing the funds didn't work,
Can you please louder?
okay. I will search after some time.
Okay, no problem. Or you can just chat me. That option is not there, right? Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, let me proceed this. Usually, this application, right? This is my website. As I mentioned you, this is my personal website. I have created using this cursor agent. And also the website, the works also have used the cursor agent for creating this website. And this app we have started to build before 1 or 2 months. Initially we have used the Visual Studio ID and along with the chat gpt, and after that we moved to the copilot. Do you know the GitHub Copilot?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. We use that plugin in our Visual Studio. And after that, we know about this cursor. And currently, we are developing this application using this cursor agent mainly. Okay, yeah, maybe tomorrow we will get the uh, more other tools to develop our website easily. We will have to adopt that also. Okay, okay. What is my I'm doing is like that. Normally, I will not type here. I will talk to this application, right? In Mac, we have option for voice. You can see one mic, right? In that, I will show you how I am coding. Like next, we have to go for hosting our website into Firebase, right? Okay, let's try that one. Please host this website to Firebase. Okay, I will help you to deploy your website to Firebase hosting. Okay. Okay, yeah, asking for installing the Firebase. Hope you can see, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Run command. Okay. Let's watch what they are doing. Okay. It's after installation asking for login. Okay, I already log in here. Let's install Firebase in your project. Okay. Okay, asking for some selection here. Which Firebase feature do you want to set up for this directory? Okay, space for select. Space for okay. The arrow button is working here. And maybe configure app hosting. Okay, let me select this app hosting. Yeah, let's check this one. Okay, something is happening. Okay, firebase.json file created here. These are the file for configuring hosting our website to the Firebase. Okay, firebase.deploy. Oh, some error occurred. I see we need to set up project first. Okay, okay. It is observing that error and doing the necessary activity to resolve that error. Okay, yeah. Okay. Great, your website has been successfully deployed to Firebase. You can now access it at HTTPS. Okay, yeah. They're saying that.
So they only make the
Sorry, they only.
will they only make the link?
Yeah, they only make the link. It's not good, right? And web. Can I suggest other name? Okay. Instead of this, I need this. What I do? Second, unlink, unlink. Can I give my name is Narjeesh Abdul Khader. It's like lengthy name. Narjeesh TP. That's my initial. Narjeesh TP. Okay, let's check. Yeah. Instead of this, I need this. Okay. Oh, I will help you to change the Firebase project and hosting URL, Narjeesh TP instead. Okay. Creating Google Cloud Platform project, adding Firebase resources to Google Cloud Platform projects. I already log into this Firebase account. So if you are using the first time, they will ask for logging and all. It's a simple process. You have to do that. Okay, they are changing the URL and all, and asking for deployment. Okay, they gave me new URL. Yeah, let's check that. Is it working or not? Yeah. Oh, when I'm accessing this, I can see my website. Maybe if you,
Okay.
yeah, can you access this website in your side?
What is the link?
narjishtp.web.app.
One
Well, let me Q&A is not working. Yeah, Q&A is here. Can I put your link? Okay. Not add the question. Can you anyone
Can
access
access.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
minute.
Yeah. How is it? We have some, yeah, maybe we took the 10 or 15 minutes, right? We have created our website, our personal website, and hosted. It's completely free and easy, right?
Can I ask one question?
Sorry.
Can I ask one question? Maybe.
Oh, please,
Got.
please.
I got it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the cursor work for in the works in
I got it.
Microsoft?
Mm, sorry, I can't understand that question. Have some noises. I can't. Can
Is
you?
the cursor
Yeah.
on its cursor used in Microsoft?
Sorry. Sorry. Anyone understand her question? Can we? Can we?
No, I did not understand.
Okay. Yeslin, can you just type the question on the Q&A part? We can discuss about that. Okay, many questions here, right? Okay, we can now. Okay, we can understand. Let me complete my like area, like a presentation part. Then we can go for the question. Is it good? Yeah, this is about yeah, it's about demo, and yeah, you see this one. How, which is the best way to uh, play with cursor? Like, as I show you that I was talking to the cursor using this chat option. Like chat option means yes, the detection option is a Mac OS. Maybe different the option for that. Yeah.
ಅದೇ
Sorry.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಭಾಷೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, yeah. We can easily interact with the cursor using the chat option or over the voice. Suppose if we have occur some errors, error in our ID, What we have to do is, like, first we have to just copy and paste that error here in chat, in our chat, that having the agent, and just ask for the solve this issue. It will go there and understand the issue, and it will resolve that. In that way, that error solving and all will be much easier. And also one more feature is there, the new feature here, bug finder. If any potential bug is happening in our application, if we are using the bug finder and start running, it will identify the bug and try to resolve that as well. Okay. Okay, you can explore this and you can find the more things. This field, especially any field, is changing dynamically day by day. Especially this AI field is changing in each day. So if we are updated with this area, we can do our work more efficiently. Anyway, let me just introduce other tools having this agent or AI capability for the coding. Is one is the Replit. Replit is the lovable.dev is the tooljet.ai, bolt.new, and in the GitHub Copilot itself having some agent facilities. They have introduced this agent facilities in some days before. GitHub Copilot. Maybe you can explore their website and you can try out these items also. The, like Cursor, these are different tools. Maybe in some tools like or a tooljet or lovable.dev, they are no code tools. Maybe we can't see the code in some tools, but we can just chat or talk to that application and we can create whatever we want. These are other alternatives. You can anyway you can refer this slide. If you go to narjeesh.web.app, and you can refer these items. Yeah, uh, that's all about this presentation and discussion. So basically, we have to code, but it is not in harder way. It's a smarter way using this smart technology like AI or agent. And so many people are talking that AI will replace you. No, it is not like that. We have to make an AI as a good friend, and we together AI and together work and create some magic or resolve some problems. And in that way, we can achieve many things. So, so congratulations everyone to join this for the wonderful occasion. Yeah. Please say you if you have questions and or we can discuss that. Maybe we have some exciting presentation after the question and Q&A, right? Yep. Do we want to go to this Q&A or do you want to ask by through the mic? Just if you have any question, you can ask also.
Excuse me.
Yeah, sure.
When did you start like coding and learning how to code and everything?
My journey, I started coding in my school days. School days when I am only plus one, plus two in that age. Maybe you are the in future school. I heard about you and from my wife. Like my partner was one of the facilitator in the future school before some months. Okay.
Sir, it's not today, it's yesterday's.
Okay. Yeah, from my school days, I have learned that, but I know you are learning the coding from the small age itself, right? That's very good thing. So if you are using this AI agent and tools and all, it will be very helpful for you uh, creating good solution on software industry. And I worked as a software engineer after my graduation. From that point, I mostly coded. Like I initially worked with TCS, and from TCS, I worked as a software developer and worked in different companies. And currently, I am as I mentioned, I am working in the startup. Yeah. Yes, please. Amin raised a hand, right? Yeah, please. You can ask questions.
Oh, sorry, I was mute. Did you stop work at TCS and then you start working on the startup?
Yeah. After TCS, I worked in some other companies also. Last company I worked IBM.
IBM,
IBM
yeah.
coaching itself. And after IBM, after resigned from IBM, I started this startup activity. Currently, I am main focus is in startup. YSAP.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
We have some questions in Q&A. Two of the heart are called and they sorry.
Like
Sorry.
question, I think it's not current one.
Okay.
It's yesterday's.
Okay. Yeah, fine.
Don't scroll down.
Oh, got it. Yeah. So we don't have question here, I think. Okay, fine. Do you have anything to get from me? Like any question you have? If you have, if you want to know more about this AI agent, or if you need any support, you can connect me. You can connect me through the my LinkedIn and or my WhatsApp also fine. If you come to LinkedIn, we can discuss more about this.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
uh, hello,
I
ma'am.
mean, yes, tell.
There was this project presentation.
Yes, we have. Fazan, please hand over. Fazan, please invite.
Yes, ma'am. After that inspired talk, we now shift our focus to innovation in action. Our talented teams have been working on some remarkable Gen AI projects, and today they'll showcase their creativity and technical expertise. Let's welcome Siddharth's team.
Yeah, let's start with Siddharth. Siddharth, you are not audible.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, I'll start off. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. This is GRASP. I'm sure a lot of us have already heard about this in the past couple of months. So, I completed my 10th grade last year. I'm self taught, no tuitions, and I created flashcards for every subject. But it was time consuming and tedious. Hence, we created Grasp, the smart learning app that will convert a 50-page document into flashcards in under 10 seconds. The result, I scored 94 in economics. Hence, here we are. My team and I, Siddharth Milan, that's me, from Hash Future School, are here to present Grasp, a smart learning app in the ed tech category. The problem: high pressure academic environment in India, and even college admissions reaching cutoffs that reach 99%. And like in Christ College in Bangalore, it's reached 99.9%. And in universities in Delhi, it's reached 100%. And the need for efficient memory retention and learning, while reading from the textbook and writing notes, isn't as efficient as it used to be. The solution: converting PDFs into images and flashcards, which you can scroll through, and then using neuroscience based learning techniques like spaced repetition, Pomodoro timers, and then also helping students retain and recall information faster. That's using flashcards. How it works: very simple process. Upload, convert, and learn. Put your PDF in. Can be 50-page PDF or a 100-page PDF. And then you can convert it and learn from it by making it into flashcards and also using spaced repetition along with flashcards. Our target audience, starting off from class 1 to PhD, all students that are with competitive exams, entrance exams, normal board exams. Any student can use it. And our market value in India is between 120 to 150 billion. That is for formal and informal education. And plus the edtech industry is growing. Plus there's high demand for edtech and AI powered learning. Hence you have a lot of competitors like Quizlet and Anki flashcards. Our business model and revenue stream: freemium models and premium features, like adding, instead of PDFs, you can add images, and then getting other flashcard subscriptions, and then also having partnerships with schools, coaching centers, and universities. Go to market: social media, Google ads, SEO, Facebook ads, and then also collaborating with schools and colleges and institutions, and also having influencers in educational partnerships. Thank you. That's the end of my presentation.
Hi Siddharth, it's a nice one. Is it you have already created or is it a prototype?
Well, it's still we're still trying to develop it. We've been trying this out since November, where we've been putting the code in and out, but it's still in the development stage.
Okay, nice. Actually, what I am understanding this, your is application for uploading our syllabus or our data, and it will convert into question Q&A, right?
Yep, as flashcards.
Yeah, it's nice thing.
Yeah.
Actually, what all technologies you are using there, like yeah.
Well, for our database, we were planning on using Firebase, and we switched to Superbase. And then after that, we started using VS Code for our main code. We tried using a mix of HTML, CSS, and Java. And then I tried getting the Gemini API from the Google AI Studio, which was what converts the PDF into flashcards. So that's what we tried using.
Okay, very nice. Okay, best wishes. Yeah.
So we can call the next team. Let's go with Amin's team. Amin?
Ma'am, can you call us after like one more team?
Yeah, sure. Prapti?
Ma'am, ma'am, you could go Jana's team, Prapti's team also said they'll do later. Next up we have Jana's team.
Jannah's team is not available, Fizan.
So, then, uh, then let's go with Prapti's team itself.
May I have the share option?
Raise your hand, Prapti. You can start, Prapti.
Yep, sure. So basically, our app is Track and Get. So, what is Track and Get? You see, I've actually seen so many houses where there is like so many kitchens and stuff, like so many items that goes to like expiry. So, like for example, someone in the house goes to get something from the supermarket. For example, let's say a bar of chocolate. The second they get it home, the chocolate bar might actually get lost in the house somewhere. Maybe they kept it in the fridge, but then after some time they forget that the chocolate bar exists, and the chocolate bar is just sitting there right behind the fridge. So the after a few years, after a few months, the chocolate bar expires. And that is actually something which I found like a huge problem in most of the houses. So we made Track and Get. Track and Get is a smart maintenance app that allows users to track their kitchen inventory by logging the names, expiry dates, and quantity of items. So Track and Get is the problem we solve is basically like many people forget the fact that the item exists or they forget when the item is going to expire. So they usually let the item uh, to sit in the house for quite a while until it expires. And basically most of the houses like they waste a lot of groceries and it basically like makes a lot of unnecessary waste in the house. So what we made is we made Track and Get where everyone could just log in the expiry date. They can enter the name of the item. For example, the chocolate bar, they can enter the name of the bar. For example, is Dairy Milk. They can enter the Dairy Milk and they could enter like when is the expiry date. They could just check the expiry date which is behind the item and they could enter how many quantities they bought. For example, they bought five of them. They can just enter it right there. And we are going to be the ones who are going to be sending very smart notifications to their phone, where it's going to say like 5 days before the item expires, or even 1 day before the item expires. We're going to be reminding them the fact that this item is about to expire, and please complete it before that, eat it before that, consume it before that, or else your item is going to go to waste. We also made personal custom lists where, for example, you go to the supermarket. You have to make like a list of all the items. You usually make it using a paper, but then sometimes the paper just gets lost. So we actually made in the app itself where everybody could just list the items. For example, you have to get uh, 1 kg of rice. So you just have to write down 1 kg of rice, and then you can easily just check the check mark and then basically get the item. Next is why now. Financial savings. So the users could reduce the waste and avoid over purchasing the items, and which saves in money in the long term. So, for example, you have to like budget the items, right? Like, for example, you're getting a little too much items. That is the reason we made our list. So, if usually you get like 5 kgs of rice, you could just like write it down so that you don't get anything more. Or like, for example, uh, I go to the supermarket to get 1 kg of rice, maybe one chocolate bar, and something else. But then usually many houses they intend to get something else as well. Like for example, let's just say a cookie. So that is the reason we have actually made this so that they'd be able to budget uh, what they're buying. and to reduce waste with the expiry thing. So we have also minimized food wastage because uh, you see, whenever items get expired, it basically is expired and it's a wastage. So we did this to get a greener planet and a very sustainable economy. Next is time efficiency. Mostly the shopping list and inventory tracking saves time because instead of just going through the entire fridge or the entire kitchen to like to find all the items, we just made it in one simple app where you could just read out all the things that you have at home and what you don't have. So you can just make a shopping list to get all those items. So our revenue model is basically we have a premium plan and we have like three basic plans where the one is the free model where they'll be able to get some where they'll be able to get just some items to add into the app, and there's like basically in-app ads and all those sort of things. And then we have a premium plan where they'll be able to get like a whole bunch of other items as well. And we're also going to be partnershiping with like a whole bunch of grocery stores, services, sustainable brands, and a whole bunch of other things as well. So our vision and our vision is to empower every household to minimize food waste and optimize the kitchen management. So basically we are trying to make the house, we're trying to make like a reduced space, we're trying to save money, and we're trying to make the food wastage really less. So how it works is users can either scan or manually add the kitchen items into the app, and the app tracks expiry dates and provides real-time notifications when items are about to expire. So about a day before or even 2 days before, you can like set that up, and it's basically going to send a notification of when the item is about to expire. And we also have smart home integrations, which helps users to get set reminders through voice assistants like Alexa and those type of things as well. We haven't set that up just yet because it's in the testing phase. Uh, but yeah, we're going to be adding that in the future, sometime really soon. So the shopping lists are automatically generated based on what is left in the kitchen, or you could manually add them based on what you have at home and what you should get from the shopping cart. Next is the key benefits, which reduces food waste, because whenever a food goes to waste, you're basically wasting money as well, but which you use to buy the product. And it is to avoid over purchasing or running out of key items as well. So, how scalable is our business? So, tracking it has a strong scalability potential due to based infrastructure. So, basically, like this has like a huge market, and we're doing like strategic marketing and all those sort of things. So the partnerships we have to plan to develop is we are thinking of going with like companies and stuff where, like for example, grocery stores, hypermarkets, supermarkets, and we try to collaborate with them so that they'd be able to like help our users. They'll be able to like help our users by giving them a major discount if they get it through the app and if they're using our app. So our go-to-market strategy is we're doing digital marketing. We already have an Instagram account, so you could go follow us there. We have partnerships, so like we're going to be collaborating with the supermarkets and retailers and all those sort of stuff. We're also going to be doing influencer marketing, where we're going to be like basically partnershiping with we're going to be collaborating with like celebrities and influencers and those type of things. And we're going to be launching our app on multiple stores, like such as uh, Play Store, App Store, all those sort of stuffs as well, somewhere in the future. So thank you so much for this is our app. And if there's anything else you'd want to ask or give some points to suggest, we'd really love to hear that.
Next, I'll present the app of this tracking it. So this is the uh, first page you see when you download the app, which is not yet released. So you have to create an account. As of now, I already have an account, so I don't need to create it. So this is the expiry tracker. So you can add an item here. The you can put whatever the name is. So I'll add an item egg and quantity. You can either add item like this, or the same way to add item using this camera option, which is not fully functional right as of now because we haven't worked on it yet. We'll be working on it. So once our item gets added, it will be shown here, but there's a few errors with that, so it won't be showing now. And then once it's added, you will there'll be find recipe option wherein you can, once you click on it, you will be able to view recipes of the your recipes that you can use to create foods with your with your um, with the item that was added here. The next thing is the shopping list. So in the shopping list, you can put the item name, quantity, and what type of thing it is. Like if it is 2 grams, kg, ml, liter, and then click on it. Yeah, and then there's a check button so that you can check it out, and then so that you won't buy it repeatedly. And then there's this delete button too. Yeah, thank you.
So, Narjeesh, sir, if there's anything you want to add to our app or give any suggestions, we'd really love to hear that.
Yeah, this is actually a nice problem actually. Congratulations for your trying to address this one. May I know which stage this you have created this is MVP, or users are using this one?
No users are using it as of now. We're just doing some bug fixes and those type of things. We're trying to add more things and remove some stuff as well. There's a lot of bugs.
Okay, yeah, nice. Okay, have you invested any money for this development up to now? No.
No.
Okay, okay. How was your market research? Any potential competitors there for this concept?
Yes, there are a few competitors. Like there is no milk, something like that. There's like a few. But the thing is, if we are like marketing our app really right, and if you're like doing a lot of effort onto making our app, then I'm pretty sure we'd be like the top people in the market.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, anyway, best wishes for that.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next up, we have Amin's team.
Um, can you give us the example?
Yes, I mean, yeah, you got it.
Okay.
That's good.
So I'm Amin, and our company's name is Delta AI, and our team name is Cypher Delta X. And let's start. Zian?
So, about what we do is that at Delta AI, we are building communicative AI that empowers everyone, especially those with disabilities, to seamlessly interact with computers.
This is our team, Zaid, Zian, Fahim, and me, Amin. So we've been working on Delta AI, which we'll be presenting and also explaining soon. This is just a demo of our website, like product, which is already made. I will show the demos and I'll explain what it is for. Fahim, are you?
Yes. Delta AI V1 simplifies the process of interacting with artificial intelligence through intuitive voice commands, empowering users to effortlessly clear up any doubts they may have in real time, leading to a more efficient and engaging experience.
Okay, so Delta AI V1 is basically an AI tool where you can just talk to it instead of chatting, which for us, which is lazy people, chatting to the AI tool will be harder. So when we just talk to it, we can just do it in an interactive way. And for the V1 model, I'll be showing a demo of it later in the presentation and about the V2. So this is Delta AI V. So I'll explain about Delta AI V2. So this is actually for disabled people and also for lazy people like me. So wherein like you can just talk to it and it will do our task. Like right now we do have models like Siri or Cortana or other tools like that, wherein we can just tell it what we need and it will open the apps. But it cannot like control our computer and do all the tasks. That is where we use AI, and also then using AI, it will control all the computer feature like apps and tools. Like if we tell it we need to type a message in our WhatsApp, it will go take the WhatsApp and then take the contact and also send the message. That is what we are planning in Delta AI V2, wherein the small demo of it is made, but the whole running project is not yet available. So that is Delta AI V2. So before that, I'll just resend our website. So this is the Delta AI website right now, which is deltaai.co. But because the HTTPS is so because the HTTPS is not yet verified, uh, it will take some time to load. So yeah, that is our website, and you can check it out.
Is it saying not secure?
Yeah, it is because the HTTPS is not verified. You can just like click on proceed anyway, and then you will be able to access the website. And then we have the AI page, which you can also access it, but right now it is not public. Yep. This is the AI model. So this is just a beta version. We've been using some other voice AI tools, but the problem was the cost is not sufficient, like sustainable for us right now. So this is the AI tool page. I'll just start it. After I start it, I cannot like talk to someone else because it will also recognize it and stuff. Um, Hi,
Hey there, what's up?
can you tell a bit about mathematics?
Sure, mathematics is the study of patterns and relationships. It involves using numbers, shapes, and symbols to solve problems and make predictions. Mathematics is used in many different fields, including science, engineering.
All right. So that is the beta version of the AI tool, and yeah. So let's move on to Q&A session. Hello, sir.
Yeah, very good, team Delta. Yeah, which AI model used here?
So we
LLM.
are using the Gemini Flash 2.0 because it is faster and yep.
Okay, it's faster and better, right? And freely available also, right?
Yes, yes.
What about DeepSeek R1 and all? Have you tried?
Actually, yeah, we made the model even before like the DeepSeek R1 was launched. So in the coming version, we will be planning to use the DeepSeek R1 because it is more efficient and also like really powerful.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, best wishes for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Fazan, you can continue.
Yes, ma'am. Now that we have gained valuable insights and seen some incredible projects, it's time for an interactive session. Our Q&A segment is open to all. So if you have any questions for our expert or project teams, this is your chance.
Anybody has any questions? Hello, everyone.
Uh, I think Yazlin have a question and her mic is not working, so she asked me to for the
Okay, you can
question.
ask the question.
Oh yeah, wait, let me take WhatsApp. It she asked if the cursor is also in the phone, and if cursor will do the website and file and presentation. What does that? I don't know what it means, but that's what she.
Yeah, what I'm understanding that she is asking that the cursor is working on the phone, right? Instead of system computer.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Actually, I didn't try that. I think it will not be possible because
Okay.
we have to do something like IDE environment. Cursor is actually a IDE. But I tried, as I mentioned in my slide, there are different other AI-based code or software generator. Uh, some other lovable or replics. These all we can use from the mobile to generate the code, but it may not be that much smooth. You can try that. Lovable dot or replit replit. You can try that from mobile also.
Yeah.
Maybe in future, maybe there will be a chance to cursor can operate from the mobile. You keep on research on that. Okay, thank you. Good question. Thank you.
So, anyone else? Others? Higher grade students? Don't you have any questions? Come on.
When is this gonna released? When is the Delta AI gonna release?
You're asking for Amin's team, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, what?
Delta AI.
Yes, what is the question?
Like when is this gonna release?
Actually, we released the demo version, and that is the right now running version, and the version 2, I'm not really sure because it is having some errors. It can actually open apps and type messages that we tell, but sometime it is like having errors. So I'm not sure if we can launch it. So yeah.
Yeah. The app might get banned too, like the version 2. Like,
Actually, like if we are having the permission from the computer user, we can run it.
can I ask a question?
Yes, yeah, sure.
So, which, like, you told that you're using one AI speaking tool, right? So, what's the speaking tool name?
Uh,
Which sound are you using for the your app to Delta?
Actually, right now in the beta version, it depends on the web browser you're using. So if you're using Microsoft Edge or something, the voice might be really bad. Or if you're using Google Chrome, the voice will be really good. because it is using the browser TTS, which is text to speech, and it will be there in most of the browsers. So that's why we launched it as the free version. So it is like it is free for us and also free for the user.
Thank you.
Yes, that's all right.
Amir, you have any questions?
Yeah, full. Yeah, what is it?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, yes.
Can you change the voice
Right now you
without?
cannot change the voice, but only depending on the web browser, your voice will change. But if you are using Google Chrome, actually there are multiple voices, but we have set default to the best voice. So that is why you only have one option.
Okay.
Anyone else? Shall we continue, ma'am?
So I think no more questions, right? Can we wind up?
Do we need to join back to class?
Wait. Fazan, you can call the vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. As we near the end of this amazing event, it's time to express our gratitude. I would like to invite Russell to deliver the vote of thanks.
Razal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good, good, good morning, everyone. On behalf of uh, just a minute. On behalf of Abdul Khader, sir, I extend my sincere gratitude to all who have made this event a success. First and foremost, a heartfelt thanks to key speaker, guest for their valuable time and inspiring words. Your insights have been eloquent, and we truly appreciate your presence. To our organizer and volunteer, your dedication and hard work behind the scenes have made this event seamless and enjoyable. Thank you for your commitment.
Thank you, Russell. With that, we officially conclude today's event. A huge thank you to our expert, our project teams, and of course, our wonderful audience for making this session a success. I hope you leave today inspired and motivated to continue exploring the world of AI and technology. Until next time, take care and keep innovating. Thank you and have a
You
nice day.
can join class.
Yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful session. Actually, it was really worthy, and even I also learned how to code with cursor. Thank you so much, and I hope all our students enjoyed your session. And best of luck for your upcoming project. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for this wonderful experience.
Can join back to the classes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, class is almost over, so do we need to join back?
Ma'am, there's like 5, 6 minutes left.
So like,
So we can wind up from here, right? Other
yeah.
facilitators all available here.
Okay.
Should we join the
So
class?
Yes, ma'am. No, don't join back. Okay, because
okay.
it's
Thank
almost
you.
time.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank